Let me put this right there where you can see it. Finally, we arrived, we achieved this amazing dream. Guys, this is a dream of mine to see the number 1 million subscribers today. Guys, thank you so much, everyone, for supporting my channel over these years. What can I say? I don't even know what to say. You guys saw the live video that I made when we reached the 1 million subscribers. My heart was going boom, 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 boom. It's been 12 long years of YouTube, of making video and believe, but I really never expect this number to get to 1 million subscribers. So thank you so much, 1 million times. And today I want to get the occasion because I was waiting to get to this number. It's been like few years because I work in this project. Pay attention, guys, because this is the first time I'm saying this. Let me put this aside. Let me put this right here because today is gonna be fun. Okay, get ready. Right now I'm shaking, guys, because this is important for me. Again, it's insane. Voila, guys, like you can see, this is a mixer. Today, it's officially, I'm launching my own brand of pizza. This right here is the first ever item that is going to be on my brand, and the brand is Autentico. Autentico means that I want to keep this brand authentic. That means everything that you're going to find on my brand Autentico, it's made in Italy, 100%. Get ready, write down this and visit. Link is gonna be in the description and also up here. Autenti.com. Make sure you visit, and every 3-4 months we're going to add an item to make a better pizza at home. This new project is gonna be slow, but I promise you I'm going to have the best pizza equipment and hopefully also the best pizza ingredients, hopefully the flour and everything, soon on the website, which is gonna be down below. But besides that, guys, let's go ahead and let's make a comparison on the most used mixer at home. So I want to compare, I want to show you an authentic mixer made in Italy. Let's start this comparison. Let me show you how this mixer works, and let's go ahead, watch until the end and subscribe. Here we go. Let's start this video. Oh, padre! Oh, my father is here. Finally you came. What do you got?
Ok. Bellissima.
This is my brand. Questo è il primo.
È una bella soddisfazione. Sì, complimenti.
Grazie. Okay, let me work here. You can learn something. And here we go. Voila! We're gonna make exactly the same. So 360 milliliters of water, half a kilos of 00 flour, 5 grams of yeast, fresh, and 20 grams of salt. Exactly the same. Of course, guys, you can make a pizza dough by hands and using this. It comes out perfect. But if you are already start to make pizza, you want to really surprise everyone and make an outstanding product, this is the way to go. Let's put the fresh yeast in the water, just like that. This is a super simple, very easy to make. Here we go. Let's melt the yeast in the water. Add the flour in the machine. Now let's add the salt. Let's go ahead and let's mix the salt in the water. This one, let's set up the time, speed number 1. This one I have 10 speeds, just the time to get the salt in. Now let's go ahead and let's add the water little by little. We're just gonna add half amount of the water. Now let's see inside how the dough mix is working. Like you can see, this machine here is having a little bit of trouble on catching the flour from the bottom, and this one you can see that is absorbing better all the ingredients. Okay, so at this point we're gonna go ahead and add more water. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up a little bit the machine, this one, and we have to work the dough until it absorbs all water. Like you can see, this one have the hook on the center, so it's catching the whole dough is still there and is mixing it like that. But the mixing is a little bit little, not too much, so it's not mixing like the same way how this machine is working. The bowl turns and the hook is on one side, is building exactly properly the gluten. So let's go ahead and let's add more water and speed up a little bit the machine. This one too, let's speed up the machine. at number 7, and right now you can see that it's absorbs the water a little bit different way. It gets a little bit of let's see the difference right here. Let's go ahead and let's add the more water here, not too much, and let's add more water here. Speed up more the machine here. This one stays the same. Right now it's absorbing much better the water. So now let's wait. So let's go ahead and let's finish up to put the water here. Here we go. It's done. Let's finish up to put the water here too. Try to make it in the same way. Actually, this one needs a little bit more time to add the water. Like you can see, the dough, it's much more smooth on this one, and there is a little bit like a orange texture on this one. Speeding up this one a little bit more to build properly gluten. I want to have the dough detached from the machine. That's when it's ready. This one, a little bit more. Oh, here we go. We finished the water on this one too. And now let's wait. And also it's very important the temperature, guys. If this one or this one warms up the dough, the mixer is not properly made to make the pizza dough how we want to make the pizza dough. Here we go. This one, we cannot go more, otherwise we're going to destroy the gluten structure. I'm going to show you right now. And this one, boom, is also ready. So now I'm going to put it on the counter, and you are going to see the difference. Definitely, this mixer much more heavier than this one. I mean, you can really tell the quality of the machine. So let's go ahead, olive oil in your hands, olive oil on the counter. We don't want to destroy the gluten structure here. So let's go, let's take this out first. Here we go. Like you can see inside here, this one come out super clean, and this one come out a little bit of sticky dough. Why? I'm gonna show you right now. Just wash my hands, because you wanna wash your hands, otherwise you're gonna destroy the gluten structure. So, tap, 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 I wanna show you something. So let's go ahead and let's pull this, like you can see. Let's open up this. Look how strong it is. Then we go ahead and we close it, and then the dough, it didn't rip. Look how strong it is. I'm pulling, and it's strong. So, it come out fantastic, and also look at this, the bubbles, and this is a direct dough. This is the gluten. See, that means that is really strong. It doesn't rip. So let's go ahead and let's do the same thing on this one. I can feel that is much more weak, like you can see, trying to pull, but it's ripping apart. See, unfortunately. But I want to explain you why this happened. Look, so I'm not pulling really hard. So I want to do the same thing really quick. And you can see also it's much more sticky. So people say, why my dough is super sticky? I explain you a couple of things right now of dough. Trying to save this dough right now. So, of course, if you are a beginner with this, everything comes out easy. This one, you have to have a little bit of experience to make the dough much more perfect. Here we go. Okay, now you can tell the difference between two. One is super smooth. One is a little bit orange texture. It's happening because the temperature. This one clearly warms up the dough too quick, so it destroys the gluten structure. This one keeps it cold because the ball turns, so it's not always turning fast. It's not always turning, so have some time of relax. This way is able to build the gluten properly, and it doesn't warm up. I can feel, I don't have a thermometer right now, but I can feel that this one is a little bit warmer than this one. The gluten structure is built properly. Like you saw. Everything was made exactly the same way. I'm not saying this is better, this is not. But it's a little bit more complicated, a little bit of step, a little bit more complicated. Also, this dough machine, it doesn't lift up. This is like for a warranty issue, because this dough machine comes with warranty of 2 years. This one, you can lift it up, so it's much comfortable to get inside the mixer. So that's why. But when you have these kind of things, the dough machine breaks more easily. So let's go ahead and let's put a little bit of olive oil on top. We're gonna go ahead and let it rest this for about 15 minutes. And then we can make the balls. Here we go. 10 minutes, 15 minutes pass by, you don't have to wait so much. Now we are ready to go ahead and make the balls. Olive oil in your hands. Pay attention how the balls is going to look like. See, this resting time have built the gluten, but we have a little bit of issue right here. See? So now we waited for about 10 minutes and then this helps to build the gluten. But now, take a look how strong is this one. And also, is even whiter. Voila. Look the difference of the color. Because this one, again, the gluten is much more stronger and is built properly. This one is still good, but the gluten is more weaker. Let's get the box. Let's place the dough in the box. 1, 2, and 3. This is the dough. Now, at this point, they look the same. So let's go ahead and let's close it. 1 and 2. So keep in mind, the one with stickers is the one made with this mixer, and this is made with this. You have to put like a little weight on top. This way it doesn't get hair. So now we're gonna go ahead and let it rest for 4 hours at room temperature. And here we go, after 6 hours at room temperature, boom, the dough is lovely ready. Both of them, and you can really tell the difference on this. I mean, take a look. This one, it's more puffy and grow on top, and this is a little bit more flat, but even they are both really good. So let's not waste the time. Let's go ahead, let's make it together and see how the pizza looks like. This one, a little bit of flour. Here we go, in the flour, a couple of times, super soft. This one. Let's get this one on the time. Perfect, they are both really good. And probably here, guys, maybe we are going to see just a slightly different, but let's see. Okay, on the stretch, really easy and it's really strong. Tuck, we don't touch it anymore. Now this one. Yes, I can really tell it's much more, be careful, much more soft. Little stickier, a little bit more weaker than this. This is really strong. So let's go ahead and we're gonna make a classic cheese pizza, like a classic margherita. Fresh tomato sauce, top. Some pecorino cheese everywhere. There we go. Little bit of basil. You can put the basil before or after. And then fresh mozzarella. Here we go. Fresh mozzarella. To finish, nice extra virgin olive oil. Now let's go ahead and let's cook those pizzas in an electric oven. Oh, before we forget, this is the one that we made with the most common mixer. I'm gonna call it like that. Let's go ahead, pinch it, then peel under. Make a pizza 12 inches, same exactly size of the other one, like you can see. Let's put it in the oven. Yeah. It's definitely weaker than that one, more soft. Let's go ahead, let's put this in the oven. Here we go. Now let's wait a few minutes that cooks, and then let's see and judge together how those pizzas they look like. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, boom. This one is the original one. Whew. Look at this pizza, fantastic. And this is the one with the standard mixer. And here we go, the pizzas are ready. Now a little bit of olive oil on the crust to make it nice and shiny. And voila, guys, those are the pizzas. But we have a slightly different here, differences. The pizza, they were cooked both in the same time. So this is cooked, it's not that it's not cooked. But because the dough was weaker, the gluten structure basically break. And then the color is like whitish. This one, it blow up, like you can see, because you don't really see it from outside because they both look outstanding. But if we're going to cut it, you're going to see the difference. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's cut the pizzas. In the same way, I want to show you where we are going to see the difference on the pizzas. Look at the difference here. Don't look at the crust because it's thick or not thick, but look how much air is inside. You see? That's the structure of the gluten compared to this one. This dough, the structure is more elastic. Let me explain a couple of things. When the dough is super elastic, that means that the dough the air inside the dough will stay there, because the part that is on top is so strong that is when it gets the pizza in the oven, the water will evaporate inside, and that's what creates these air packets that your body is gonna digest that really quick, because the dough is super light. This one, unfortunately, it looks good and everything, but the gluten structure was weaker, and of course the air went out from the crust, so it made the dough a little bit more heavy. So now let's go ahead and let's taste the crust, of course. When you bite, super light. It's really good, this one, but I can tell the difference. I mean, those are really small things, because I want you to make the really perfection. That's the reason why today I wanted to show you the mixer. This video is over. I want to really tell you that this is the beginning of a series of videos that is going to blow your mind. I have something planned, something already made that is going to blow your mind. Not about only pizza. I wanted to wait to 1 million subscribers, get this news, because we are going to add 1, 2, or 3 videos monthly about all the food that regards the fermentation or leavening process. So I'm going to teach you how to make the croissant, the bread, the pasta, so many things that we're going to add in this channel to be able to grow much more. So please go ahead and share with friends. Let's get this channel to boom. It's already booming. But thank you so much, guys, from the bottom of my heart. For everything else, link in description, and see you every week with 1 or 2 videos. It depends on the week, but definitely I will stay with you every week. Ciao, thank you so much, guys.